This is our HF three-way access control machine. Now we'll demonstrate the wiring process. This is the standard 86 type switch, a common wall-mounted switch panel. Standard configuration. Here's the power supply. This is an electric strike lock. Let's begin the wiring tutorial. First, locate the yellow wire. Yellow is the open signal line. Connect it to the switch terminals. I've pre-stripped a wire here. Either side works. This pre-stripped wire, connect to left/right terminal, no polarity. Secure the switch connection. Insert firmly, polarity doesn't matter here. Either direction works. OK, connect the switch properly. Once connected, connect access controller to power supply. Right, locate the red wire. Red connects to 12V terminal. Got it. Make that connection. 12V point. Check, complete the circuit. With that connected. Now pay attention. Connect the ground wire. Negative terminal. Grounding requires care. Combine controller's black wire and neutral, plus the exit switch wire. Join these three wires together. Connect to COM terminal. Good. Attach to the COM port here. Make the connection. Done. COM connected. OK. Locate the controller's white wire. Connect white to NO terminal. Signal trigger wire. Right. Secure this connection. Set. Now wire the electric strike. First, connect strike's black wire to COM. COM terminal. Good. Then connect red wire to NO terminal. OK, that's our simple wiring tutorial done. Now let's test if everything works. We'll check if it's properly connected. Alright, next, let's power it on. Plug in the power cable. Done. The machine beeps once powered on. Good. Now let's verify the setup. Press the switch here. The machine is now activated. The lock mechanism retracted. Perfect.